This floor is getting ready to be stained, and one of the questions we get a lot is, what do I do with the crack? And I generally tell people if it's less than a credit card in width and you can't get a credit card in it, I really wouldn't worry about it too much, especially if it's a hairline. This floor has some cracks throughout it. I would say they're, close to the credit card. Client wants to fill them, so what do? So you first off, you want to clean out the crack, and you can see there's maybe some sheetrock mud in it or something here. You're going to want to use like a polypropylene brush. And what that is basically like a rigid plastic. You can get them at any hardware store. Put it on a drill, work it out. Try not to use a wire wheel. Wire wheel tends to burn the concrete, so we tend to shy people away from wire. So you're going to want to get the material out of that. And then a simple material that we found that works really well, you can get at any hardware store typically, is a product called Cementol. And it comes in a blue and white box, and it's a cementatious type product that takes stain pretty well. Now I will tell you, it's not the same as concrete, so it is going to stain a little bit differently. The point we're trying to do here is we're going to fill them because the client feels like it's going to be easier to clean and stuff won't get stuck in there and whatnot. So you can fill them. The Cementol works great. It will stain just a little bit differently. Easy to apply. You're going to apply it kind of like tile grout. Stick it in there, clean it off with a sponge, let it dry. Do that before prep. Don't do it after prep. You want to do any repairs before you prep your floor. It's one of the first things you do.